are going to love the 2020 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, center armrest, universal garage door opener, trip computer, heated steering wheel, fog lights, security system, heated front seats, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.